Welcome to another edition of Michigan Edge Business Edition. I'm Sabrina Cronin. On this month's episode, we visit the company that was just named the #1 metal roof distributor in the United States, who also gives back to its community in a major way. We also visit an innovative jewelry company that gave us an exclusive look at a new gem, and a new hockey team that is ready to take the city of Flint by storm. Join me as we take another journey to find out what gives these businesses the Michigan edge. American Metal Roof is a Michigan-based company that prides itself on producing an excellent product with exceptional service. But its love for this country and passion for giving back has made it like no other. Here is owner Frank Farmer with his story.
American Metal Roofs is a Michigan-based company that has a lot of national attention, and we've been written about a lot across the magazines and newspapers and in a book about our company. We have many national awards for houses that we've done that have won national awards, like the #1 Victorian house done in the United States we did several years ago. But we have many of those national awards on individual homes that we've submitted. But some of the awards that we're most proud of is our Excellence Awards and our Quality Awards. Where in my industry, among roofing, if you've got a 70% satisfaction rate among customers, that's considered good. Okay? We enjoy a 98%. So when we get those customer satisfaction awards, those are the best.
Frank Farmer started out in the window industry, but switched to roofing when he found people were having serious problems with asphalt roofs.
I noticed real fast that there seemed to be some people who are having serious challenges with asphalt roofing. And you started to see it when you called on a customer and found out that their roof at that time might be 13, 15 years old, and they said they had bought a 25, 30-year shingle, and the roof was shot. And when we started investigating, we found out that the oil content in the asphalt shingles had been reduced since about the mid-'80s up until that time. So if somebody had a newer roof, it wasn't made like the roof 20, 25 years ago that they had prior. That was really the start where we really seen that that metal roofing was the roofing of the future, and that the asphalt industry was on a path to self-destruction. Quality metal roofs are set up so that they have a fastener that will allow the metal to expand and contract. Or else, over time, you got serious problems with that roof. The roofs that people are seeing today and have become so popular with all the styles of slate, tile, shakes, it's never ending. What you see out there in regular roofing is now replicated in metal and is absolutely stunning. Is designed to be out there for 50+ years. Some of the roofs will be on these buildings truly a lifetime. The lifetime of the building, 100, 125 years. So there's a lot more than just getting a roof. You know, they get something that's going to take care of the building, but they get a roof that is the envy of the neighborhood, that they're proud of. I would challenge you to go out and look at a roof that we put on 15 years ago and tell me when it was put on. If you go look at a 15-year-old asphalt roof, it's been tore off already. You go look at a 15-year-old American Metal roof, and you can't tell me it wasn't put on last week. It's that nice.
American Metal Roof is a company that loves this country and loves giving back to its community. Its many efforts to help the less fortunate stem from Mr. Farmer's personal struggles.
We have a very soft spot in our heart, and it really, it goes through our whole company. It comes from the top down, in that we have attracted the type of person that wants to give back, and give back in a big way. Some of our big programs are feeding the public. And we literally go into the communities and we will distribute semi-loads of food to the needy. These people, we had one just yesterday, and the people line up starting 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning for a 10 o'clock giveaway. That's what the need is so strong. So this year the goal was to give away 100,000 pounds of food to the needy. Some other things that we've done with the community are we've built some inner city parks and helped out the city. So we have a way to directly give back. We've given away roofs to veterans who are in need. We've provided roofs for Little League dugouts, baseball places where the kids can go and play. Try to continually give back. It's a lot what the community doesn't see because we don't put our name on it. We go out and really try to give back in the spirit that people should be giving, and that is not for notoriety, but to help the community. I grew up in inner city, part of a very large family, and we didn't always have food. And people don't understand not always having food, and I'll define that by literally sitting down at a table and maybe having some toast for dinner. I can remember my friends having things to eat and me not having anything to eat, and I can remember opening up a pizza box at a neighbor's house that had crusts in there, and when they turned their back, the ashtray had been emptied, so I got rid of that and remember eating some pieces of leftover pizza because I was hungry. You don't forget that. There are many circumstances in life that take us from having and have not, that are totally out of our control. And just because somebody made wrong decisions in life that maybe put them in need doesn't mean that we're not supposed to help them. And that's where the need comes from us, and that really runs through our whole company, runs right through our culture statement and who we are and what we're going to do and how we're going to treat people. Is really faith-based. We work as a company as God first, family second, and business is third, and we truly mean it. If I could explain anything to anybody about this company, it would be about the heart of the company. And the heart of this company is to develop a culture that was second to none. A place that people wanted to work, a place where they could be proud, a place where they wanted to give back, and because of the company, they became better people and affected the community. And when we keep doing that and keep making our reach further and further, not only in the state of Michigan, but outside of the state of Michigan, with that value system, we make it a better America. And that's what we're trying to do. It's way beyond that.